In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do the manual printhead cleaning of your Brother MFC-J 4535dw printer. This will help you to fix your printer if it's printing blank pages. If any of the ink is not working properly, then you can follow this process. Before doing the manual printhead cleaning, you have to do the automatic printhead cleaning, and if that doesn't work, then you can go for the manual printhead cleaning. If you want to know how to do the automatic printhead cleaning, you can watch my video on that. For manual printhead cleaning, first we have to switch on the printer. Go to the printer display panel, click on the copy button. You can select black or color. Once you hear the sound printhead moving, just unplug the power cable. This will unlock the printheads. Now lift it up and let's check inside. So you can clearly see the printhead is unlocked. So that's the portion where the printheads are. So they have moved forward, and we can also slide them with our hand like this. So that's the printhead. Now take the kitchen towel paper that is here, spray some water on it, or you can spray distilled water or any other cleaning liquid. Now place it here and then slide the cartridges on the top of that. So I'll just push it from here. So you can see that tissue has gone to other side like this. From here we can hold it with the two hands and just slide the tissue paper. So this will clean the clogged printhead. Do it few times until you see the ink showing up on the paper, and don't use a lot of water, otherwise the tissue will break. And keep moving to one side just to check how clean is that. So I think this has actually cleaned the clogged ink, and we can see all the inks are showing up on the paper. You can repeat this process few times until you see all the inks are showing up there. So once we finish this, we have to close this section. So lift it and press it down. Plug in the power cable. Here we have to click on the setting icon, select maintenance. Now click on the printhead cleaning and click all. Select the first option, it says normal, and click on the start. Printhead cleaning is done. Click yes and click on the start. It will print the nozzle check sheet. Let's check the print results. Right now we can see all inks has started to work little bit, and some of the inks are showing properly. For example, Cayan and yellow, they are almost working, whereas the magenta and the black is not showing up properly. Now go to your printer display panel, select the option, select yes. Now magenta, just select second, third or fourth where the improvement is less. So right now it's around the third. For Cayan it was first. For yellow it was okay. For black again it's only few dotted lines. So it's gonna flush little bit more ink. So click on the start and wait for the cleaning. Printhead cleaning is done for the second time. Click yes and click on the start. Let's check the print result. Black has started to work, still magenta is not working. Again we have to go to the display panel, click yes. For magenta there is almost nothing, so select that. Cayan is here, yellow is here, black is almost here. Click start. So it's gonna clean for the third time. So we have to keep cleaning it until we get the desired results. Printhead cleaning is done. Click yes, select start. Let's check the print result. Right now we can see the print result is great. It has started to work. Our printhead is clean, it's not clogged anymore. So just go to the display panel. In case you want to remove the remaining lines, you can still do one more cleaning, but right now I'm just going to complete it here. So it will ask you, are there any dotted lines? Click no. Printhead nozzle are okay. Now before we start printing, it's important to improve the print quality. Select first option, improve print quality. Do the alignment and click next. Click yes. Select auto option, and we have already installed the A4 size paper. Click start. So this will make the print quality much better. Just give 1 or 2 minutes for the printer. Next step is to scan this page. So place it on the scanner. Place it facing down here and click on the start. So alignment is done. This way we can clean the clogged printhead and we can start normal printing with this printer. This will also help to fix if any of the ink is not working. Thanks for watching.